In today's video, we're creating a form with a subform in Microsoft Access. Now, the first thing we need to do, we need to establish relationships between the two tables if you have two tables. So this is what you'll be doing first. Then we'll be creating the form and subform. We'll be linking the two tables, and the table names are customer bind table and the customer table. So we'll be establishing the relationship between these two tables. So we're going to go to design tools. We're going to click relationships. Then we're going to click this icon that says show table. Then we're going to select the customer table. I'm going to double click on it. Then we're going to double click the customer bind table. All right, now I already established the relationship, but I'm going to remove it and add it for you. All right, so here we have the two tables, and the first one is the information of the company, the last name, first name of the person who is a representative from the company. And in the second table, what we'll do, we'll widen the table so we can see all the information. So this customer buying table indicates the name of the products that the customers purchased, while the table on the left shows the customer table that has the names of the persons representing the company that purchased the items from us. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the consumer code, and I'm going to bring it over to the second table and drop it on the label that says customer code in the second table entitled customer buying table. Then now we're going to check that this is what we want to create the relationship between the two tables. And we're going to click this checkbox that says enforce referential integrity. Then we're going to click create. And here now we have a one-to-many relationship. So this is how you would create a one-to-many relationship. In today's video, we're creating a form and a subform, and we'll be using these two tables, and the name of the table is customer buying table and the customer table. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up to the create tab up by the ribbon, and we're going to create a form using the form wizard. So we click on it. Then what we're going to do, we're going to select the field names that we want from the different tables. So I'm going to choose my customer table first because it has the information for our customers. So we're going to choose the name of the company. Going to choose, you're going to use the arrow to carry over the last name in the selected fields from the available fields on the left. I'm going to use this arrow here to select the first name, and we would need the address and the city. Or the next table that we're going to choose is the customer buying table. We'll need the product name, we need the category, the selling price, and the margin. We're going to press next. Then now, here now, we have the option to, it's asking us how do we want to view our data. So you can view it by the customer table, or you can view it by the customer buying table. So our customer table had the name of our customers and the name of the company, and also the first name and last name for the representatives at the company that purchase items from us, right? Then now you can see that below you would have the name of the products that they purchase, the category that the products are in, the selling price, and the margin. So if I click on the customer buying table, which was the products that our customers purchase, you will see that it would give you all the information in one, but we don't want it like that. We want it with the customers in the form and in a sub form showing the products that our customers purchased. Okay, so we're gonna click and we're gonna choose, make sure that the radar button is selected that says form with subforms. Then we click next. We're going to, you can represent it, the information, as a tabular form or a data sheet. We're going to use a data sheet. I'm going to click next. Then we're going to click finish. And here is our form with the subform. So you could actually click down here and navigate through. There are the different products that our customers purchased. And if we go to the customer table, you can see that there are some plus signs here. And if you click on it, you can see the different products that each customer actually purchased. So if I click on it there and click on this one, we can see that WA Buyer Company purchased a pants and the category was female. So the form and subform is representing the same format, whereby you have the name of the customer that purchased from us and also the type of products that that particular customer purchased. So this brings us to the end of the video showing you how to make a form and a subform. So if I come back here, here is the form and subform, and we can navigate through. There it is. So AC buyer house purchased as slippers and socks, and the category was female. All right. So if we scroll over, we can actually see the selling price and the margin that we made on the product that was sold. All right. So this brings us, and we can actually adjust this down so that we can see um, the subform information a little bit clearer. So we can carry down this. Yes, and here's a margin. The accounting margin. So here's a product, here's a category, here's a selling price, and here's a margin in terms of percentage. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at how to create a form and a subform in Microsoft Access. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.